So I got some additional goodies with my ECM Electronica, which I just showed you, and let's get straight into the box. What have we got? This is the tamping station from ECM. It's kind of a heavy duty tamping station that just kind of looks nice. Nice kind of polished steel finish, and obviously fits nicely in with their portafilters and sits there without having to kind of keep it held up. So really nice tamping station. Put that in there. So I got that. What else have we got in here? Beans. I didn't order these, so thank you to the roastery for those. They actually, it's Bella Barista who own it, and I ordered all this from Bella Barista, and so thank you for including some of your Gaslight Espresso blend. Perfect. I will enjoy those. I don't think I've tasted those before. There we go. What's this then? This is very anonymous looking, but you will see when I get it out that it is a knock box. And a really nice finish to that. Look at the shine. You can see the camera. Now that is a lovely shine. So I'm going to stand my grinder on that. And I think that's a bit of an upgrade from my previous knock box, which was just this little mini thing here. So really nice. I'm going to take the plastic off. I should let my wife do this. She loves peeling off this kind of thing. So finally I got all the sort of protective sheeting off. It took a while, nearly broke the skin on my hands, but it's worth it. This is the same high-end finish as the espresso machine, ECM espresso machine. Lovely knock box, ECM on the back. That is going to go really nicely with everything else. So, did I get anything else in here? Back to the side. Well, there is another bag of beans, another Gaslight. So, appreciate that. Thank you very much. I didn't order those, so thank you. So that's it. I'll be back with some videos showing obviously trying out the new Electronica. I'm sort of starting off on my coffee journey, especially on YouTube. And if you want to join me, then do so, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications when I post a new video. Like, subscribe, share if you feel the need. Thank you.